Hello, today I'm going to show you guys how to dice a tomato. So we already washed the tomato, and what I actually do is I peel off the skin of the tomato too, and that way any pesticides or anything that are on the skin, we peel them off. So you just take a regular peeler, and it's kind of harder to peel a tomato than it is some other vegetables like a carrot, but either way you just do it the same way, nice and slow. You'll do it and you see you'll peel off the skin, and underneath the skin you'll just get right to the meat of the tomato. You can just slowly do it, peel off the skin. It also helps with flavor because the skin is pretty flavorless. You just do that until all the skin is gone and removed. Do the best job you can, removing the skin, and it'll taste way better, the tomato. If you've ever put a piece of tomato with the skin on, try it, and then put a piece of tomato with the skin off and try it. You'll see how it tastes better real easily. Alright, well I think I did pretty much as good as I can. There's a little piece right there, but you don't want to lose too much tomato either. So there you are. And so what I like to do is I like to cut my tomato in half. And then I also like to scoop out the seeds. So I'd like to just take a little spoon like this and a little cup or something, and just literally scoop out all the seeds from there, because seeds are also, you don't want to be biting into a tomato and have nothing but like a whole mouthful of seeds. It's easier for digestion as well. So just do the best you can, scoop out as many of those seeds as you can, and then what you do is you take the tomato and you just make slices as thin as you can, as close together as you can. Just like that. Just dice it. Then you take the pieces you just diced and just dice them, flip it horizontally like that, and again just dice them as close as you can together, all the way down, all the way through. It's a little bit hard because it's really soft and it might feel like it's falling apart, but just keep going. Keep going. And then you can take your knife and just comb through these pieces like this, and they're really soft, so your knife will probably just go right through. If you want, you can go back and remove some of the bitter white ends and some of the seeds, and eventually you'll be left with just pieces of tomato that are ready to go inside of a salad or inside of maybe a pasta sauce or something like that, and just repeat the procedure for the other half. That's how you cut a tomato.